In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your last name on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, just tap right here to go to menu, and on menu we need to tap Add that gear to head over to Settings and Privacy. Now guys, we need to tap at See More in Account Center to head over to Meta Account Center. After that, go to Profiles, select your Facebook profile, and on the next step at the very top you will find this name option. That's where we can easily edit our first name, middle name, and last name, and that's where we can easily delete our last name completely. However, if we now hit Add Done, it won't allow us to even hit Add Review Change button because we cannot keep this field empty. But I got a workaround for you, and here we need to enter at least one symbol. It could be just space symbol, which is actually invisible, and then if we hit Add Done, we'll be able to hit Add Review Change to head over to the next step where we need to choose the preview for our account. We can pick one from this list, and then to save the changes, just hit right here at this button. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.